Did you know that a simple slice of banana cake can be a secret weapon for boosting your energy levels? Yes, you heard that right. It's true. This humble treat, often relegated to afternoon tea or birthday parties, packs a surprising nutritional punch. Made with ripe bananas, which are rich in potassium and vitamins, banana cake, with its moist texture and comforting aroma, has long been a beloved dessert. Its soft, tender crumb and sweet, fruity flavor make it a favorite for many. Its popularity spans generations and continents, gracing tables from bustling city cafes to cozy countryside kitchens. Whether it's served at a chic urban cafe or a rustic kitchen in the countryside, banana cake brings joy to all. But beneath its sweet facade lies a nutritional powerhouse often overlooked. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin C, and fiber. Many people perceive banana cake as merely a sugary indulgence, dismissing its potential health benefits. However, when made with wholesome ingredients, it can be a part of a balanced diet. By incorporating whole wheat flour, reducing sugar, and adding nuts or seeds, you can enhance its nutritional profile even further. So next time you enjoy a slice, remember it's not just a treat, it's a boost for your body and soul. It's time to challenge the misconception that banana cake is just a dessert. While it undoubtedly satisfies our sweet cravings, this versatile treat can be enjoyed in countless ways. Think beyond the traditional slice and explore incorporating banana cake into your breakfast routine, afternoon snack, or even as a post-workout energy booster. Its natural sweetness and wholesome ingredients make it a suitable option for various times of the day. Don't limit yourself to just one way of enjoying this delicious and nutritious treat. Banana cake often gets unfairly categorized as just another sugary dessert. But there's so much more to this delightful treat than meets the eye. People tend to focus on its sweetness, overlooking the nutritional value it offers. It's easy to forget that banana cake can be a wholesome addition to your diet when made with the right ingredients. The truth is, banana cake, when prepared with wholesome ingredients, can be a good source of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Ingredients like ripe bananas, whole wheat flour, and nuts can transform this dessert into a nutritious snack. Bananas themselves are rich in potassium, an electrolyte that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure and muscle function. They also provide vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber, which are crucial for overall health. Whole wheat flour adds an extra dose of fiber and nutrients, while nuts like walnuts or almonds contribute healthy fats and protein. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also boost the nutritional profile of the cake. So, the next time you reach for a slice of banana cake, remember that you're indulging in more than just a sweet treat. You're also enjoying a snack that can provide essential nutrients and energy. Whether it's a family gathering, a friendly get-together, or just a moment of personal indulgence, banana cake can be a delightful and nutritious choice. So don't underestimate this humble treat. Embrace it for its delicious taste and its hidden health benefits. Let's delve deeper into the nutritional benefits of banana cake. Bananas, the star ingredient, are packed with potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber, all contributing to overall well-being. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while vitamin B6 supports brain function and energy metabolism. Fiber aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making banana cake a surprisingly satisfying snack. When combined with other wholesome ingredients like whole wheat flour, oats, or nuts, banana cake becomes a nutrient-rich treat that can be enjoyed guilt-free. One of the most appealing aspects of banana cake is its incredible versatility. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice in the kitchen, banana cake offers endless possibilities to suit any occasion or preference. Get creative and explore different ways to incorporate this nutritious treat into your meals and snacks. From breakfast to dessert, banana cake can be adapted to fit any time of day. For breakfast, try topping a slice of banana cake with yogurt and fresh fruit for a balanced and energizing start to the day. The combination of creamy yogurt, fresh fruit, and moist banana cake creates a delightful harmony of flavors and textures. As an afternoon snack, pair a small piece with a cup of tea or coffee for a comforting pick-me-up. The subtle sweetness of the banana cake complements the rich, robust flavors of your favorite hot beverage, making it a perfect companion for a relaxing break. You can even crumble banana cake into smoothies or use it as a topping for overnight oats. This adds a unique twist to your usual recipes, infusing them with the delicious taste of banana cake while boosting their nutritional value. For dessert, Banana cake can be dressed up in countless ways. Serve it with a scoop of ice cream, drizzle it with chocolate sauce, or layer it with whipped cream and berries for an indulgent treat that will impress your guests. Banana cake is also a great addition to lunchboxes and picnics. Its moist texture and rich flavor make it a hit with both kids and adults, providing a satisfying and wholesome option for on-the-go snacking. Experiment with different toppings and mix-ins to create your own unique version of banana cake. Add nuts, seeds, or even chocolate chips to enhance the flavor and texture, making each bite a new and exciting experience. Whether you bake it as a loaf, in a bundt pan, or as mini cakes, banana cake can be customized to fit any occasion. Its versatility in shape and size makes it a perfect choice for parties, gatherings, or simply enjoying at home. Ultimately, the true beauty of banana cake lies in its ability to bring people together. Whether shared with family, friends, or colleagues, each slice of banana cake is a reminder of the simple joys and connections that food can foster. Here's the most surprising benefit of banana cake. It can be a great source of energy for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The combination of carbohydrates from bananas and flour, along with the potassium content, makes banana cake an ideal pre- or post-workout snack. Carbohydrates provide the body with readily available energy, while potassium helps replenish electrolytes lost through sweat. So next time you need a boost before hitting the gym or replenishing after a strenuous workout, consider reaching for a slice of banana cake. It's time to embrace the banana cake revolution and recognize this humble treat for the nutritional powerhouse it truly is. With its delicious flavor, versatility, and surprising health benefits, banana cake deserves a prime spot in your kitchen. Whether you enjoy it as a breakfast treat, a post-workout snack, or a comforting dessert, remember that you're indulging in a treat that's both delicious and nutritious. Do you have a favorite banana cake recipe that has been passed down through generations in your family? Or perhaps you've experimented with different flavors and ingredients to create your own signature banana cake? We'd love to hear about it. Share your go-to banana cake recipes, and let's spread the love for this versatile and delicious treat. From classic recipes to innovative twists, let's inspire each other to create banana cake masterpieces in our own kitchens.